Maglablaban kayo dyan, guys. Ito, guys, oh. Panoorin nyo to, guys. Super ganda ng ano. Super ganda ng ano, ng video ni Sisi MBTV, oh. From yesterday. Yan, lagay ko dyan, ah. Latest. Yan. Oo nga. Sige, may time. Magkita tayo. Kailan? Saan? Ha. Gusto ko punta dyan kay Daghan, mga Pearl. You're welcome, kapatid. Oh, ayan, oh. Ay, asa na yun? Oh, still ano pa, oh. Still harang pa, kapatid. Channel ka dungog. Oh, ayan. Romblon, mga dato man na sila. Marmo daw ang mga bahay diya. Hindi, oy. Romblon, mga dato. Oy, mga ano lang. Mahirap lang kami doon sa Romblon. It's a very small, it's a very small town. I don't know, but so far, I think we are still in a third class or second class. Parang, there's part of Romblon, but the Romblon capital where where I come from is from the Romblon capital city. I think we are still on a third class municipality, but there's one part of Romblon which is Ujongan Romblon ay second class municipality na sila. So so in the Philippines, depending on which municipality you are, they are ranking. So nasa ranking for first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class. So if your municipality is in that class, that means your municipality is doing great. But unfortunately, dahil alam mo na Romblon, Philippines, in general is, mga kurakot man yan sila dahil mga kurakot man yan sila dyan, guys. Kaya hindi tayo mag-angat ba. So Romblon, unfortunately, the capital city is still in a third-class community. Mga dato. Si Philmax Vlog Support, siya lang ang dato doon. Pag magpunta siya doon. Yung alam ko, dato, mga taga Romblon. Weh! Hindi, oy! Oh. Oh, ayan guys, ayan, tingnan nyo. Suportahan natin yan si CMP. Kasi yan ay talagang napaka hardworking na friend na YouTuber, live streamer friend. So, suportahan natin yung bago niyang upload na video from yesterday, and this video is very beautiful talaga. Yun ang alam ko, mga dato, ang mga taga Romblon. Hindi, oy. Hindi mga dato, oy. Mga ano lang. Mga Sherpa lang. Sherpa. Oh my goodness. Uy, ang ganda ng ng background ng Love Hurts. Oh. Ayan. Oh. I know it's true. Ganda ng background. Ganda naman. My channel ka tungog. Oy, sisitisan ka. Ganda ng mga flowers dyan. Ganda ng mga flowers mo dyan. Saan yan? Hello, 18 million in the house. Make love shout out. Thank you for coming to my live stream today, this morning. Cheers to everyone.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you on next record. Ang awiting ito mula kay Nazareth.
Nice. Love Hurts. Oh, diba? Ayun. Hi, guys. Thank you for coming to my live this morning. Ayun. I just got up from bed. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Mag-ano tayo ulit? Maglagay tayo ulit ng ano ng